Sa radyo at sini.
Hi! Today we're going to make funnel cakes. And the Filipino will try it. Okay. To start, we
Oh my God, what is that?
have the flour, the sugar, and the baking powder.
Okay.
We need 2 eggs and 1 cup of milk. This is not balut.
What?
Make sure this is not balut. No.
Balut.
And 1 cup of water. And mix that up. And then about 1 teaspoon or more of vanilla. We mix up our liquid. And we have our fire. And we need water. Water.
Pancake.
Yeah, you want it like a pancake mix. A
Oh,
little
okay.
thick, a little thin. It's got to go through the funnel.
You already made that one.
Yeah, I've made them before. It's been a long time. Pick that next to you. Put that aside first.
Uncle is working hard, oh.
Oh, no.
Sana all. Mama is multo.
Wow, it's
Maybe a little more water. It's thin. A little.
Are you nervous?
Nervous for
Yep.
what?
Sana all.
Be sure that it's not.
It doesn't work. I don't know. I haven't made this in a long time. It doesn't work.
It's delicious.
Mama, ano masabi mo kay Uncle? Kasi isa na siyang material husband.
He is
What?
a caring man, loving man, sensible, hardworking for this pancake.
It's not pancake. It's funnel cake.
It's tunnel. Tunnel cake?
Funnel.
Ah, okay. I'm just joking.
Funnel.
And then,
You put this in there.
okay.
Okay.
You make it go around.
So,
Yeah.
Maybe you can have a business like that, baby.
Maybe, I don't know.
and then
So
that's
that, yeah, so that it hide.
There. Okay, let's do the bottom of the cake.
Okay.
And then you just make it like, and you fill the lines in.
Okay.
So this is where it's messy because you still have all this stuff.
Yeah, you can put here first.
Okay. Just like that.
Not yet.
No, not yet.
Your fire is
Anong masasabi mo, ma?
this nice. Is looking The food is so sweet.
Wow, bakit natikman mo na ba? Mama said it's so sweet but she's not tasted it yet.
Haven't tried it yet.
Oh,
Like, look,
she's
like,
lying, no?
How do you know it looks sweet? You need more water in it because it's a little too thick.
It's okay, it's still not brown yet.
No.
It's okay.
You gotta get the heat right. You gotta get the thickness right. So it's thin, so those two fall right.
Hey, nako. Uncle, what Tagalog did you learn?
I learned. Ano?
Ano?
Ano sabi mo?
Wow.
Very good.
Another.
Bakit?
This one.
Bakit? Oh.
Later we will taste this one.
What?
What?
Later after finish we will taste it. I can't wait to taste this funnel cake.
That's how. What English did you learn?
I love you, Howard. Oh, sana
It's
all.
accurate.
Ah. I
How
learned.
about you?
I learned. Mahal na mahal kita.
Dance first, lady. While you are cooking, nice dancing when you are cooking.
Yeah. Uncle, let me see your dance movie. Yung cameraman niya pagod na. Wow.
Macarena, Macarena, like this. Macarena, 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 Macarena.
It's not cooking. The oil's not hot enough.
Because mama is so hot. You get my logic.
You're too hot.
Wow. Uncle, you are already like a 1 month here in the Philippines. So what culture that you've learned?
What culture?
Yeah.
Like, I learned that we go everywhere in the tricycle.
and then you eat rice so much.
I eat rice like 2 to 3 times a day.
Yeah.
I eat fish and vegetables all the time because
Of mama. Yeah.
Of course, the
We always
vegetable. I
eat
am
fish.
vegetarian.
Vegetarian?
Vegetarian.
I eat fish.
Yeah, I am. I love fish too.
So I eat fish.
So what?
I don't eat so much fast food. So I eat better, fresh food,
I know you eat like a fresh food.
and it's
It's your funnel cake is burning, you know.
it needs to be brown like
Yeah, like
it's
that.
getting there.
What is that?
Sugar powder,
Wow.
confectionery sugar.
You can put here. Okay.
Put in there, and I think this is ready to come out.
Eh di nabatukan kita. Saya mo ha. Mamay kasi para ka namang ano. Gumaganon ka.
That, and then put it on the plate.
It's like ano ah. Like
It's like the,
like ano, kikiam. It's like a kikiam, you know? Wow.
And then We'll get a spoon.
Ay, sorry. And then it's still hot, baby.
There, like that. There, eat it.
Wait lang.
Eat it!
Yeah, it's hot. What's hot, my love? I eat this one. It's hot. I need like
You're fine.
it's okay.
It's okay.
What?
It's still hot.
It's a little harder than what.
Bakit ma?
What? You don't like? She said it was sweet. Remember?
Hindi, pero, what ma? Di ba masarap?
It's good. Wah,
Not good. Wait, let me make another. What's
it's
wrong?
not good, baby. It is no good.
You don't like?
It's like poo-poo.
Grabe oh.
But it's not good, my love. Oh my God.
This is too hot now. Yeah. This one's.
Maybe it's not come out this one.
No, I don't think it'll come out right.
It's
The
not
oil's too hot on that.
Wait.
Sorry. It's not right.
No, it's done.
It's not good. I'm done.
No.
But
No, it's good. No, it's good.
Binabalik niya na!
It's a
Binalik niya na yung ano, Mom, you know, because this is the first time Uncle cooked to us.
Good baby. No prank. Oh.
need more flour in that.
Ay, Uncle Sangri. Kawawa ka naman.
Dali ka ni uncle mo.
Kawawa naman, funnel cake.
Pamay mo sa kanya.
So too much water in this.
So guys, dito na lang po sila kasi napakaganda po ng prank ng nanay ko, sobra.
Hi guys, just finished now.
Hello. Uncle, Mama, say goodbye to them.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, viewers.
Thank you guys for watching. I'm eating.
Uncle, say one word Tagalog. Tagalog, one word. Anything.
Hindi.